Hey y'all, welcome back to Tech Talk Tuesdays. I'm Melissa, and today I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at our Ford service department, so you'll know exactly what happens from the moment you drive in to the moment you head back out on the road. Let's get started. When you pull into our service lane, one of our friendly advisors will greet you immediately, check you in, and review anything your vehicle might need. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or you've got a concern, we've got your back. We take time to listen because every vehicle and every driver is different. Your experience should feel simple, clear, and professional. Our Ford-certified technicians get to work right away, starting with oil changes using manufacturer-recommended oil. It's one of the most important things you can do to protect your engine and extend the life of your vehicle. Next up, tire rotations. This helps your tires wear evenly, boosts performance, and improves safety on the road. We follow a precise pattern based on your vehicle's drivetrain. Throughout your visit, your service advisor keeps you informed every step of the way. No surprises, just clear communication and honest updates. And if you decide to wait, our lounge is set up to make it easy. Coffee, Wi-Fi, comfortable seating. It's here to help you relax while we care for the rest. That's your inside look at our Ford service department. Fast, friendly, and built around you. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Tuesdays. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next week with more tips to keep your Ford running strong. See you then!